Hello and welcome to Legacy IAS Academy. So in this video, we will be discussing about Operation Sindoor. But ये जो video है ना, this will be basically questioning certain things. हमें और at least public को ये definitely जानने की जरूरत है कि what was the success और Operation Sindoor में क्या-क्या जो हमारे targets थे, जो हमारे हम लोगों ने सोच रखे थे, have we been able to address those questions? So as the Indian Air Force Chief, he has already stated कि whatever be the principal targets with which we initiated Operation Sindoor, was it accomplished? So the answer is a thumping yes. तो that is definitely appreciative कि ये तो अच्छी बात है, ठीक है? But Operation Sindoor से associated तीन और सवाल हैं. There are three more questions that have been left unanswered, and we are opening up these questions to you to analyze. And these questions will help us analyze कि जिस ऑब्जेक्टिव के साथ we have started with Operation Sindoor, was it accomplishing those objectives, और इसका क्या इंटरनेशनल एरिना में कैसा पिक्चर ये दिखाई दिया, ठीक है? So the three questions that we are trying to open up here is the first question is the details of the ceasefire, ठीक है? क्योंकि हमें पता है कि शाम में by around 3:30 they stated by 5 o'clock we will stop all kind of military engagements and we will enter into ceasefire, ठीक है? So we will be discussing about the details of the ceasefire that came up, at least from the addressing of the Prime Minister. The second question that we will be opening up is the internal unity. Did the country exhibit internal unity? या इसमें कहीं कुछ factions था, कुछ separate ideology कि war को continue करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए? Later on, when the operation started, all of us agree कि हम लोग we were working under one nation, one emotion. All of us were very annoyed, very disturbed by what happened at Pahalgam, and obviously uska retaliatory actions all of us were demanding. But once the war initiated, उसके बाद जो जैसे ये things unveil होते रहे, तो there was a separation of factions. एक section था who started demanding कि नहीं the war has to end, and there was one section who started demanding नहीं the war has to continue. एक बार की बात है ये we will finish off this, ठीक है? All these problems has to be we need to get rid of all these problems at one go now, ठीक है? So the second question, that is what we will be opening up. The third question is what was India's position in the global arena? ये पूरे situation में what we were expecting from the international platforms and what we actually got. And this actually showed, I would say, the dual face of international politics, ठीक है? So talking about the first question, कि India and Pakistan decided that we will be proceeding with the ceasefire, and the ceasefire has to be carried out immediately, ठीक है? Why was it so important to proceed with the ceasefire? Was because कि both of them were nuclear nations, and all of us understand ये हर कोई को पता है कि if the countries entered into the nuclear warfare, तो फिर ये किसी भी country के लिए beneficial नहीं होता. It would not have benefited any of the countries, ठीक है? So later on the Prime Minister addressed कि ठीक है because we got a request from Pakistani side to end the ceasefire. I'll repeat the statement what Prime Minister had made to his address to the nation कि 10 मई की दोपहर को कि in the afternoon of 10th of May, when Pakistani's DGMO had requested Indian DGMO that we will be stopping all kind of terrorist activities, आतंकी गतिविधियों को बंद करने के लिए, और पाकिस्तान की तरफ से कोई आतंकी गतिविधियां नहीं होगी और सैन्य दुस्साहस, so military engagements, the war will also end. But the Prime Minister had clearly stated that this request was initiated by the DGMO, Pakistani DGMO, ठीक है? अब now comes the question, because this was addressed by the Prime Minister and no statement came from the Ministry of External Affairs, ठीक है? MEA did not clarify the statement. So here comes one question कि was the ceasefire first of all made from the Pakistani side? Because he is our Prime Minister, so we will be agreeing to whatever he says. आप बोल रहे हो तो let all the countrymen agree to this fact. But as a countryman, we also need some kind of evidence from the Prime Minister कि if you are stating that the ceasefire was initiated by the Pakistan, तो we need some evidence. ये इसलिए भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो गया because later on Donald Trump, the president of USA, started claiming that it was because of his interference that the ceasefire deal was finalized. We can still agree because the Prime Minister says that the ceasefire was appealed by the Pakistani DGMO, so we can still agree to this fact. But to address these kind of claims, if the Donald Trump is stating, if the president of USA is stating कि he had initiated and because of his efforts ceasefire was finalized, so to at least calm down all such kind of voices, we need some kind of evidence to prove कि नहीं ceasefire was actually initiated by Pakistani DGMO, ठीक है? Or at least we should be opening up this question कि do we need some kind of evidence? इस तरीके के voices को बंद करने के लिए do we need to prove some kind of evidence, put up certain facts to prove that DGMO, Pakistani DGMO had initiated the ceasefire or not, ठीक है? So that was the first question. The second question was regarding the unity, ठीक है? The second question demanded कि क्या हम लोग was there an intense national unity during the course of the Operation Sindoor? So I would still agree कि when the Operation Sindoor was started, initiated 14 days to the occurrence of the Pahalgam attack, obviously there was a national I would say the heart-wrenching stories of victims of Pahalgam, and obviously public was demanding कि किसी तरीके का action government ले, और जब government action ली under Operation Sindoor, obviously there was an immense amount of unity amongst the countrymen, ठीक है? Including the Kashmiris, the Kashmiris had also stood up कि नहीं, we also stand with the country, भारत हमारा ही देश है, and we stand with our countrymen कि यहाँ जो हुआ वो गलत था, and if India initiates this retaliatory action, we will be standing in support of this, ठीक है? Not only the Kashmiris, not only the entire country, even the opposition parties, almost no political party was against the government during the launch of Operation Sindoor, ठीक है? So it was all fine up to here, but जब हम लोगों ने ceasefire deal initiate किया, or let's say once we proceeded with the ceasefire, Pakistani DGMO had initiated and India proceeded with the ceasefire, तो ये unity कहाँ चली गई? Then we forgot about this fact कि अभी भी we are into Operation Sindoor, and till the point the ceasefire is finalized, till that point at least we should be showing some kind of unity. We started trolling the public, the countrymen started trolling the foreign secretary, the countrymen even started trolling the widow of an officer, naval officer who died in the Pahalgam attack. So we started trolling them क्योंकि they were speaking in favor of ceasefire. Now you imagine if two nuclear power and these two people not even got engaged in the deal of ceasefire, ये लोग तो ceasefire के लिए अपील भी नहीं किए, ना proceed किए, they were just stating कि ठीक है अब war खत्म हो जाना चाहिए because we have engaged in war and people have died from both the sides, so let us now end this war, and for that they were trolled. So that is the point where we broke our unity, ठीक है? Now moving on to the so that is the point कि we while trolling them we forgot about this fact कि एक nuclear war initiate हो जाने का क्या retaliation, क्या repercussions हो सकते थे, ठीक है? Now coming to the third question, opening up just the third question कि India's position at the international arena, तो India का position कैसा रहा? एक तो Israel का direct support था. Israel had openly supported that we stand in support of India and their right to defend themselves. So if Pahalgam के retaliation में India has carried out Operation Sindoor, Israel stands with India, ठीक है? Rest of the countries, I would say almost all of the G20 OECD nations, all of these countries had kept a very diplomatic view. They were asking both India and Pakistan to de-escalate their positions. ये इस war को कम कीजिए, इस intensity को कम कीजिए. We will have to get down to the talking terms. Peace is the only way. So this is what was being initiated by the international media. और उस समय till the point, at least I would say कि before Pahalgam or any of these terrorist activities took place, India was a very much demanded country. Our international position due to the presence of the Prime Minister had been uplifted by so many international platforms. So many countries had stated कि yes, India should be given a Security Council membership, permanent seat. ऐसे बहुत सारे statements आने लगे. India became the leader of the global south. ऐसे बहुत सारे statements आने लगे. But one terrorist attack changed this entire scenario. International platforms में none of the countries started supporting India, or at least started making a diplomatically careful statement that they should not be aligning with any of the sides. In fact, things got worsened when the IMF loan was approved. और IMF में क्या होता है ना कि which country actually whether IMF decides, it is not actually the entire organization which is deciding. IMF में every country has टू फंड दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। और जो भी कंट्री जितना ज्यादा फंडिंग करती है, IMF is largely dominated and takes decision in favor of whatever that country says. ठीक है? So that one country who funds IMF largely is USA. So if IMF has funded, so we know which country has actually permitted these funds to flow from IMF to Pakistan. ठीक है? So this is one international question that India that we will be rather opening up to the countrymen कि क्या ये international platform, ये international picture के लिए whatever we have done so far, was it along the expected lines, or at least expectations में international media से, international government से a different kind of support India was expecting. ठीक है? So with that we come to the end of this video. If you have any doubt, please do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much and all the very best.